seeing you just brings back a lot of memories from that. And I'm very glad that we were there together. It makes me sad to think about everything on the backside of that, with us.
From beforehand? Or
No,
after?
Afterwards.
When you lost each other after that loss, yeah, Sean, this is so good. You're doing amazing. What do you feel when he looks into your beautiful eyes with his eyes?
No, it feels good. It feels honest.
Yeah.
I always feel like sometimes it's hard to understand or know how you're feeling. Like I always had this feeling that you had a feeling of guilt, like it was your fault or something. And to know that didn't really come up, that made me feel good too.
Tracking the process both within each partner and between the two partners can allow the clinician to use the relationship as a resource, both as a means to access and deepen emotion, and also to facilitate a direct sharing of internal emotional experience from one partner to the other. In this case, as I notice Jen's tearfulness, I attempt to use her emergent sadness and their connection, which I observed in their eye contact, to assist Sean in further accessing his own emotion. With the aim of capitalizing on this momentum, and also widening Sean's window of tolerance around emotional expression, I quickly transitioned to EFT Move 3 of the Tango, which is choreographing an engaged encounter or enactment.